Hi guys, today I put
I'll put in the pechay.
picture.
One egg each. You put in the pechay. There you go. All pans of a pechay. Oh, look at the tomato now. It looks big, no?
Oh my god. That's super big.
Yeah, how many tomato now? You count it.
Count. 1, 2, 3. What's the ball?
How many? One
Count
tomato.
to 5.
This looks 7. 1 tomato. 2
2, 3.
tomato. 3 tomato.
What's the boy one?
Oh, pineapple one.
Right here?
Yeah.
Boy.
Only this one, oh. Anak ko. Look, this one. 4 tomato.
4,
And 5 tomato.
5 potato.
And 6 right here.
It's right here.
And 7 tomato now. Starting 1 tomato, right? Right now it's 7 now. How about this one? What is this?
It's
The mint.
the main.
Mint leaves. How about this one?
What's the baby potato?
It's a oregano. This is oregano. Oregano. How about this one? Basil. Sweet basil. And this one is parsley. And serrano hot pepper. That's so
Hot
sick.
pepper.
And then pechay.
Why oh it?
Don't worry, it's gonna be fixed. It's gonna heal now.
Daddy, eat down here.
Oh yeah. How about look at the pechay, oh? How about egg?
But shy.
This one.
I do
cinnamon,
best shy.
Strawberry. Soon. And then you can spray na, anak. Oh, spray na. Shower it. Oh, shower the
Daddy
tomato.
and
Yeah, daddy and hand. Oh, shower it. There you go. On top, on top. Like rain.
Huh?
Yeah,
What?
spray it. Don't worry, it's friendly. The insect is friendly.
How?
Yeah, the insect is friendly. Don't worry. I'll spray na the tomato first. I spray the tomato. Shower it on top. There you go.
I hear mommy do under here.
Oh, put the mint na. Mint next. The mint leaves. Oh, spray the mint leaves. This one naman.
Huh? What?
That one is fine. Daddy picks it later. How about the mint? Spray first. Spray the plants first. Very good. How about this one na?
The mommy's fish.
Yeah, the oregano. Oh, spray this one too. Shower
That's
too.
so big.
See, even if the plants they go shower.
What? Underwear.
Like you need to shower every day. Oh, spray more this one, oh.
What?
Oh, daddy do it for you. Oh, see? I like it.
On the bed.
Oh, how about the sili? Fix it. There's some medicine. Oh, here na, Ken. Ken, dito naman sa sili. There you go. Shower the sili.
Too hard to shower.
Yeah, you got the medicine. Oh, how about the pechay? Very good. Galing naman ni Ken na. Marunong na mag...
That's all done.
No. There you go. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Look at me.
Bye-bye, Hamura. Yes, soon.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.